Hi y'all, welcome to this week's Tech Tuesday video of the week. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about the Chrome OS and a few features within that OS that you may not be aware of, or some you may be aware of. First thing that I'd like to cover is this address bar in Chrome is actually called an Omnibox. So anytime somebody refers to the Omnibox, you know they're talking about the address bar in Chrome. That's just a little tidbit of information you'll need, and it'll come in handy when you start getting your GCE certifications. So to start off here, when you're looking at you're signed into Chrome, you need to make sure you're actually signed into Chrome. Make sure that you're syncing with your district account or whatever account you might be using at the time. This allows all of your information to be saved to that account. If you're not, it'll have a button there that says sync your account, and then it'll start syncing it up. And what that does, and it's going to give you a lot of options with signing into different devices. Whenever you go home and you're not using maybe a work device and you sign into Chrome, you're still going to have access to all of these resources that you've bookmarked. So anything you have here that's bookmarked, you signed into another computer somewhere else using this this email account, then you'll have access to everything that you've saved before, and that comes in really handy. So another thing to take notice of is that on the Omnibox, this star right here, when you are on a site and you would like to bookmark it, you can bookmark this page and it will give you options of where to put it. Either you can put it on your bookmark bar or you can put it in a folder. There are many ways to organize. I mean, I have tons of bookmarks and I have different folders for all different categories and folders within folders. So you're able to have as many bookmarks as you need and put them and organize them however works best for you. So if you get in there and you decide, like I need to, organize my bookmarks, or if I need to change some things around, you can come here to this look for this little kebab or this little skinny snowman, like I like to call it, and come down to the bookmarks tab here, and then you can go to Bookmark Manager, and the Bookmark Manager is going to open up for you, and this is going to give you an easier way to edit all of your bookmarks, and then you can kind of streamline those a little bit. I need to get in and do my own. So another thing that I want to point out to you is up here in the corner, or usually it's up here in the corner on your Chrome OS, this is going to be where your apps live, and these are just really kind of mostly shortcuts to web-based programs, and it'll take us there easily. And you can add apps and then just go to them easily from here. If you need to get more apps, you can just access the web store, and then you can find some apps in here. Now, when you are searching, some of these things it'll default when you're on your district account to, you know, some things that are approved, I guess, for the district, but you can always get out of there and go and search in other categories as well. So the other thing that the Chrome OS allows is for these extensions, and some of you may know you've used these extensions, you've added them on, and this really just gives more functionality to different Chrome products through here. And you can find extensions on the Chrome store as well, so you can search for them here, but when you do add an extension, you will find them right up here. Now, I have a whole bunch of extensions, so they kind of overflow into my little skinny snowman area. So if you're looking for one and you don't see it right up here, make sure you expand this window so you can find your extensions, and then you can manage them that way as well. Another cool thing that I wanted to point out that some people don't really know is that you can actually use Chrome, well, a lot of the Google products offline. So if you happen to be going out of town, or you're in a place where you need to get some work done, you're at the ball field or something, and you really don't have any internet, you can access all of these features offline. So, and I'm going to try and do this, and hopefully it's not going to mess up my recording, but I'm turning my Wi-Fi off. And then I'm going to go to my drive. And I want you to see that you have access to this. So I can open up a new, let me see. I can open up a new doc. Now you're not going to have templates available to you. Those are online access, but you can open a blank document and it will load it offline. And it wants me to title it, and let's do a test document here real quick. And what I wanted to show you is that if you see this little lightning bolt right here, it's going to tell you that you're actually offline. But any work that you're doing is going to be saved. And whenever you get back and you're connected back to the internet, it's going to save all of your information. And then you'll have access to your documents, or if you open up another document that you were previously working on and you make edits, it's going to update that document. Once you're back online, you'll see that that little lightning bolt warning has gone away, and then you have full access again. So another cool thing that I just wanted to let you know, and if you've been using an app before for Gmail offline, that app is no longer available, but you do have options within your Gmail to have access to these features offline as well. So if you go to your little settings icon in your email, you have a lot of options to set up personal preferences in your email. But up here in this top tab where it says offline, you can enable offline access. So you will have access to like the last 30 days of emails. You'll have access to attachments. You can type emails. They just won't be sent until you are back online again. But you can get some work done, have it ready to go when you get back online, finish up your work and be finished. So those are a few features that I just wanted to show you about Chrome. If you have any questions or concerns or need some more tips about using your Chrome OS, please feel free to reach out to an EdTech coach. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our EdTech U videos to get new updates weekly. See y'all soon.